I started this journey with QNet almost like 9.5 years back. When I started, I was a doctor. I started just to make some extra money, like let's say $100 or $200 per month. Because for a doctor in India, even 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees a month as an extra income is a very good income. So I started with that kind of thought. I decided that I want to do it, then anyhow I was supposed to do it. This is as simple as that. People come and say that what challenges you faced and all, and I always said, I never faced a challenge, I only passed my exams. Because they say that if you want to grow in a class, educational life or in your professional life, you have to pass multiple exams. Every problem I faced, I took it as an exam and I figured out the solutions for it. For me, making my first check was not very difficult because I attended my first training. I understood the importance of hot sign up, and I signed up my wife Yashu on one side and one of my very good friend Dr. Apar on the other side, and both of them were like, if you are doing it, we are also with you. So making my first check was just like this. I still remember before I shifted myself from Meerut to Delhi. So it was 90 kilometers drive one side. Every day after finishing my job in medical college, 4 p.m, I used to go to Delhi, and then after finishing my business activities, and then I used to come back to Meerut maybe by 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, and again this schedule used to happen. When I'm going to do any of my activity which is related to my business, it is like going to temple and worshipping God, because that's what they say, work is worship. Maybe this is the reason that God has blessed me with so many little small things which make me happy, my family happy. Every rejection is an opportunity for me to upgrade myself, to change myself, to evolve myself. I have seen people cribbing and crying that, oh my God, he's my best friend, he did not sign up with me, that's my family, they are not supporting me. And to understand my feeling, they may take some time. Everyone in my family was not happy with me except my grandfather, and he was saying only one thing: if you have taken a decision to do something, I'm 200% sure that you are in the right direction. So I used to watch 8 basic building block by Chief day in day out. My dream car was used to be an Audi Q3, which I achieved in 2014. Today we are blessed with Ferrari and Lamborghini and Audi and all whatnot. And I always say it's only a car. These cars are not for me. These cars are for my team. Because whenever they come to my house, the house is open, the keys are with them, they can do whatever they want to do with my cars and my house. So enjoy it, feel it, so that you have that faith and belief that you can achieve each and everything. If I can do it, you can also do it. So my next goal is like to create 250 people who are Sapphire and above in my team, who have this thought of donating money for the society. First you fulfill your materialistic dreams and then you go for this. If you see any achievement of mine, it is not because of me who has done something. It is only and only because my appliances were there, Datoshri Chief was there. So I just followed what they told me to do. In that sense, I am very blessed that we partner Dev, we partner Sachin, AVP Sharfun, AVP Shipra, AVP O'Neill, AVP Neeraj. They were always together with me. I have seen so many people saying a lot of bad things about QNet. I can tell only one thing to them, because they are looking at it from outside. They don't know what the real QNet is. They have not seen the heart. Maybe their surrounding was not right. It doesn't mean that QNet is not right. So QNet is a beautiful company. I'll say that do QNet from your heart. Do it for your family. Do it for your people. You can walk through this journey only with truth and honesty and loyalty. I will always say that.